Mm. Oh, yeah. Every part of my heart I'm giving out.
Sa araw pong ito, sinasamahan po natin sina Edison at Chad sa kanila pong napakahalagang araw. Ang pagbibiyaya ng Diyos sa kanila ng pag-ibig na kanilang iingatan at pagyayamanan.
She's the one, I say it proud. Ring the bell for the whole crowd. Ring the bell, I'm telling the world that I found the girl, the one I can live for, the one who deserves. Every part of my heart I'm giving out. Every song on my lips I'm singing out. Any fear in my soul I'm letting go. And anyone who asks I'ma let them know. She's the one, I say it loud. She's the one, I say it proud. Ring a bell for the whole crowd. Ring a bell, I'm telling the world that I found the girl, the one I can live for, the one who deserves to give all the light a reason to fly, the one I can live for, a reason for
Una-una sa lahat, papasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi magbigay ka niya sa akin. Alam mo naman na ito yung pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay. Salamat sa lahat ng pagsubok na pagdadaanan natin at magkasama natin ang pasok. Pangako ko sa iyo na nalagaan kita hanggang sa pagtanda natin at lagi mo siya natatandaan na magbago man ang sa isang bewang mo. Hindi magbabago ang pangako sa iyo.
the one I can live for, the one who deserves.
God has restored me when He had made me laughter by someone who is so humble, very kind, and confident. I cannot imagine myself waking up every day with another person other than me. I